Welcome back to another video. Today I'm looking at how to capitalize the first letter of each word in a string. So to start off, we are going to receive a string, and when we do, it's going to be one long string. And that's no good. We really want this to be an array of small strings. We don't want a sentence. We want to have an array of words and then iterate word by word over that array of words. And so how can we do that? Well, we can call the split function. And the split function takes a separator. If you use a space as the separator, then it will separate this sentence based on the space. Just like that. And so that's what you'd do to a sentence. I know that looks a little rough, but bear with me. So once we do that, we are going to go word by word. So words is going to be an array of the words of the strings, the smaller strings that we just created. And we're going to declare a empty array result that we're going to push our altered strings onto. So we can call the push function to add things to the result array. And what are we going to do? We're going to call word index 0 to uppercase and concatenate word.slice index 1. So what does that look like? I went ahead and console.logged that with an example. This example is for the string the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay? So we can see that word at index 0 to uppercase is T. And we're going to add this, remember? We're adding that. So the capital T is the first letter of the first word in the array of words. And we're accessing the index of the first letter in this string, which is contained in an array of words. And we're only doing one at a time. And then we're concatenating it with word.slice. And what does word.slice do? Well, the slice method of array returns a shallow copy of a portion of an array into a new array object selected from start. That's the key here. Start. So in our case, we are starting from index 1. Okay, so we're returning a shallow copy of everything but the index 0 character, because that's the one that we are capitalizing. We can also see that the slice method of an array takes an end index, but it's optional. In our case, we do not mind that our copy goes all the way to the end of the end index. We do not mind that it goes all the way to the end index. So it looks like this. So the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. Okay, the start index, we have no index, so that means it goes all the way to the end. Mitochondria, and we're concatenating these things inside of our push method that is pushing this concatenation of two parts of the word onto the result array. And we're doing it one at a time. This is still individual strings separated by commas inside of an array. But once we call the join method, it will join these all on the same way that we split them, and it will become a sentence again with them all capitalized in a single string, just like this. Now here's the same thing with the map method. The only difference here is that we are calling the map function on words. So here is an arrow, and basically this is saying that for each word, return the first letter of the word, capitalized, concatenated with the remaining letters in the word, and joined to a string for each word. And so once we do this with our string, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, it will return a string with each individual word capitalized in the same way. Okay? And so, I want to leave you with one final thought. LeetCode is just something you do now. What does that mean? There are five stages of depression, and I am currently in the acceptance stage.